I want to summarize for you the book, Leadership for Attorneys. You can find more information about it at leadershipforattorneys.org. I'm proud to say that the American Bar Association published the second edition of this book, and it's now become the basis for continuing legal education programs throughout the United States. Recently, Professor Deborah Rode of Stanford's Law School, in quoting our book, has suggested something that's even beyond what we suggest in the book. She has suggested that law schools begin to train students in leadership. Well, we certainly think that's a great idea, but we understand that the purpose of law school is to help students become lawyers, pass the bar exam, and have all those competencies which you need in our vocation and in our profession. The book Leadership for Lawyers is built on the premise that if a lawyer becomes a better leader, they will become a better lawyer. But it's actually built on a bigger premise. It's built on the premise that we can identify the 20 major challenges to the legal profession today, and I predict these 20 challenges will be major challenges in the future. We now have research that shows the #1 predictor and driver of profitability in law firms is the quality of leadership of the senior partners. We also know that many legal consulting firms are starting to, quote, get into the act and provide leadership training for lawyers, and we welcome their joining us in this field. The book Leadership for Lawyers includes 90 different styles of leadership in one of the appendices, and it also includes a checklist. That is, what do leaders do? When you read this book, whether you're a law student, whether you're a lawyer in private practice or in a nonprofit organization, the public defender's office, the county or city attorney's office or district attorney's office, whether you work in a government agency, whether your practice is restricted to securities law or the Food and Drug Administration, or whether your practice is more general, whether you do litigation or whether you do transactions. In any one of those areas, in every area, whether it's litigation or settlement, representing your client in the most effective way requires the leadership skills that we describe. And finally, there's one other section of the book that's very important. In only 5 pages, we outline all of the 10 theories of leadership. And we help you get grounded as a lawyer in understanding the leadership theories that have been proven most effective over time. And one, to be particular, is called the psychodynamic theory of leadership. It basically says that as a leader, you're responsible for how others respond to your words, respond to your actions, respond to your body language, and respond to your communication. Isn't that the essence of being a lawyer? We believe your job is to lead your clients and guide them, not simply serve as an agent and they're the principal and you're the hired gun. You are a counselor at law. And so we hope that you find the book Leadership for Attorneys a useful addition to your law library and your law firm's library. Training based on this book is available to law firms and also through bar associations and continuing legal education programs throughout the United States. You can learn more about Leadership for Lawyers at leadershipforattorneys.org. Thank you.